guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad to see you guys. How are you guys doing today? You'll have to excuse my kind of laid back frumpy look, but I'm going to the gym after I make this video, so I didn't want to, have to change and then change and then change again, because that's just too much changing for me. So anyway, I'm here today with an Ipsy Unbagging. I had it in my lap and it just fell on the floor, so I'm gonna have to grab that real quick. But I just want to say yesterday's video, which I'll link right up there. I think it comes on this side. If you didn't check out yesterday's video, you might want to check it out. It is by blah, 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 blah. All right, let me start over. The box was called Threads Monthly, and it was an amazing box. And my video the day before, Raven's Nest Eclectic Magic box, you need to check that one out as well, because they are some awesome boxes. They are new to my channel, and I just absolutely loved those boxes. I loved doing the videos, so you guys gotta check those out. And the Threads Monthly box, I did get a discount code for you to save 20% off your first box. So that is a good deal and well worth it. So after you watch that video, you'll know what I'm talking about. But anyway, here is our Ipsy bag, and I cut Ipsy down to just one a month because it is just, you get so much stuff and you just have it and it just lays around and it's just too much. So let's get into this bag. Let's see here. Oh, that is what we pulled out. There is our bag. And let me see here. I'm going to try and get the card out. I don't want to peek yet. Okay. So this month's theme is, the question isn't who is going to let me. It is who is going to stop me. And that is September 2018. All right. So we have a couple of face masks here, and this one is Vitamin F Velvet Mask, and this is by BRTC. I don't know. Vitamin F, and then we have another one that is a vitamin C, and this one is for oil and moisture balance. I'll try it. We'll see what happens with that. And this one is for dull and pigmented skin. It's a vitamin C velvet mask. It is hypoallergenic, intensive brightening mask, contains vitamin C to brighten skin and encourage clear complexion. So there we go. And this one, the Vitamin F, it's deeply moisturizes and conditions your skin. So we got some face masks. And isn't this just the cutest little bag? Little eyelashes. I actually have a shirt that looks like these eyelashes. I will put a picture of it over there so you can see it. It is the cutest shirt. I got it on Wish. It's so cute. It's just got little eyelashes and I think little lips. I'm not sure, but it's a white t-shirt with black eyelashes. Anyway, let's get back to this bag. So there is the inside. It is a very, very beautiful burgundy. And there's the, what does this say? Rules were made to be broken. That's what the inside of the bag, the tag says. That's so cute. Rules were made to be broken. Be careful though how many you break of them. Okay, let's pull out the first thing. This is by Hanalei Matte Bronzer, and it looks like it's so tiny. So maybe if I put it up there, you guys can see it. But this is a bronzer. I don't tend to use bronzer too much, so this will go in a giveaway. I don't use bronzer. I just, my cheeks and that's it. This bag isn't really that full. I'm not too awful happy with this bag again. This brush is by Luxie, and it is number 140, and it says it's a detail tapered blender. And there's the brush. Let's see if we can open it up here. Oh, open it. It's already open. And there's the... That's a very nice brush. Very nice. What can you say? It's a brush. A brush is a brush is a brush. I never use it for what it's for anyway. Okay, we have two more things, and this one is by Trace Steak, and it's a mini lip glaze in the color Mumbai Magenta, and there's the color. That is a very, very deep red. So let's see, I'll swatch this one. Oh no, that is not bad at all. It looks redder than what it really is. Let's see. Oh yeah. That's red. I don't know. Oh, it didn't come off. Did not come. Well, oh, yep. You can see it. Very, very faint. Very faint right there. But that is not a bad color. I don't mind that. I don't know how it looks to you guys, but I don't mind it. Okay, well, we have one little last tube. And I dropped something. Sorry about that. And it is flying out of my hand. This is Thank Me Later face primer. Ipsy, I may end up canceling this bag too. It does have a safety seal on it. After getting, you know, boxes like BoxyCharm, and then you get this little tiny thing. I mean, I don't know, maybe I'm spoiled with getting BoxyCharm and Allure and Play by Sephora and How to Be a Redhead. I think maybe I've become a little spoiled because these little things that I probably will get 2 uses out of this. This I don't use. A brush is a brush is a brush. To me, I am not a makeup artist. I use a brush for whatever I feel like using it for, even if it wasn't intended to put eyeshadow on. I mean, I would use this to put eyeshadow on. To me, it's a brush, and no big deal. The lipstick, I have hundreds of these little lipsticks like this, so I don't know. But that's the things that we got. And 2 face masks. So, I mean, I just feel like I have a stockpile of face masks. Brushes, I have them coming out of my eyeballs. I have, so, oh, guys, I don't mean to be such a negative Nancy, but I think I may be canceling this. The only good thing I think about this month is this cute little eyelash bag. It is cute. And it made the bag worth it. This cute little eyelash bag is just wonderful. But the contents, not so much. Not so much. But, I mean, if you like Ipsy and you would like to get your own bag, I will leave a link down below. These bags are $10 a month, and it is worth the $10 a month. It's just, I don't know if it's worth it to me personally. Only because, like I said, half the stuff that I get, I don't even use. I can't use it. I won't use it. I don't like it. Or you use it and it's gone. So, to me, it's just not. It's not for me. Not for me. Anyway, that is it for my Ipsy bag, unbagging, boxing, I don't know. Half time I say unboxing and it's a bag, but anyway, it is what it is. All right, guys, I just want to say, maybe thinking about sharing this video, I would appreciate that if you shared it. Share my other videos. And if you're new here, welcome. I had a few new subscribers, and if you're watching this video and I cannot remember your names, but I will put your names down here to welcome you personally to my channel. You ladies are awesome. You've already been in the comment section and you're keeping it hopping, and I love that. I love that. I love that. So if you're not a subscriber, please consider subscribing so that I can put your name across the screen and welcome you personally. That is something new that I will be doing. And if you have subscribed, and from here on out, if you're a new subscriber, let me know in the comments so that I can welcome you personally across the screen and everyone can say hello to you. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And I will see you in another video real soon. My BoxyCharm's on its way. And so is my FabFitFun box. Finally, I got a tracking number and I cannot wait. I can't wait to get it. I am so excited for this box. I cannot wait. I just cannot wait. So, anyone else out there getting FabFitFun box? Let me know. I would be curious to know what you guys get in your FabFitFun box. I watch so many unboxings and I can't wait. I picked the teapot and I cannot wait to get that cute little thing. I cannot wait. And my Vince Camuto bag. Yep, I picked that too. All right, guys, that is it. I'm done rambling on and just trailing off to the land of nowhere. I know some of you don't mind, just as long as you don't care, then I don't care. And on a side note, I did hear from my daughter again today, and she's doing well, very, very well. She's not happy she's where she's at, but she is doing well. And that is probably the best news that I could have gotten today. And she's supposed to call me back later, so. All right, guys, that's it. I will see you in my next video. Bye now.